This is Autel's Maxisys 906, the Bluetooth edition. The only way I know how to put a review onto Amazon is to do it all in one take and to keep it short. If you want to get into more reviews on this tool, you can search it on YouTube. There's a lot of channels out there, including mine, that have better reviews. But I wanted to give you a quick look at it. There are two home pages. This one is more for browsing and other options. The house with the M in it brings you to other home page, which is more directly what you need for servicing and diagnostics, as the screen shows you. Before I get into these two icons, I wanted to show you the shop manager and very quickly let you look at each one of the avatars there. Again, try to keep this short. Can't spend much time in any one area. Data manager, you have more icons to choose from here. Dig deeper into your tool or go, like I said, onto YouTube and find more settings. You have another page by scrolling left to right. You can see my Autel wants 31 updates downloaded. I'll do that another day. I've downloaded what I need. The VCI Manager is the tool that plugs into the car on your data port. That is a vehicle communication interface. And Academy and Remote Desk and support all have to do with getting support through autel.com after you register your tool. To register the tool, you have to have the serial number that's on the back and a PIN code that's in under settings. Quick link brings you to information online where you can get data. It's hard to find anything in print these days. However, I will say these are only quick links. You have to have your own subscription to what is displayed here. All right, that's that. I am using my wife's car. It's a 2005 Dodge Magnum. I'll get it turned on here and we can start looking at some diagnostics. Now just key on, the engine's not running. I can show you the diagnostics. Chrysler in my case. And we can do an automatic select or manual. For brevity, we're going to go automatic push read. This tool will find your VIN code, give you a chance to verify it, and move on. Yes, it is correct. I'm going to, oops, I hit the wrong button. Sorry, I'm wasting your time. Okay, we say. That's my car, hit yes, and this will get you to the page that has more data than you can it's more data than one page. You have to scroll up and down. Okay, we can hit diagnosis or hot functions. We'll go into hot functions. This is what this tool will do for you, and some of the acronyms you may not be familiar with. Again, go to Google or go to YouTube and find other and more in-depth reviews. Under diagnostics, we already did auto scan. Now this is going to take some time, and because of that, I'm going to escape because it's going to just take more time than we have here for this short review. I'm just trying to get you familiar with very quick areas that are available here. I want to get all the way out of this so I can bring you back to this page here. Oh, okay, that's doing that so you don't forget your Bluetooth VCI there. You can walk away with this tool and leave that in the car. It's going to be very hard to get that replaced. A lot of cars here are available. They are not in alphabetical order, which I wish they were. However, if you're in the U.S., for example, you can just hit U.S. cars and make this list a whole lot shorter. Okay, there's other cars in Europe and Asia, so on. Go back to the home key. In the service department here are the icons that help you direct your troubleshooting or the service things you want to do. Again, acronyms are all over the place. Won't have time to go through each one, just so you can see the tool. ADAS is something that is has to do with aligning. I'm going to get out of that because we don't going to do it, but it aligns the sensors and requires a lot more equipment. But the tool has that function if you want to go that direction, and it gives you a video description and how to use it down in that area. All right. Very quickly, guys, that's all I can do for about now. I want to get this posted, get you interested. Hopefully you can make a decision. It's a great tool that I've been able to use so far, and there are also other great mechanics out there on YouTube who share the information on troubleshooting cars using this tool. All right, good luck to you, and thanks for hanging around.